Part of what we try to do with Career Academies is that we are ensuring that our scholars are ready to enter the workforce, that they're ready to plug back into our community and really be employable right out of high school, but then also have the capacity to go on and further their education. And what we truly want is to develop the talent that matches the needs that our community has, and this space does that.
Career Academies, I believe, link students much earlier in their lives to the possibilities that exist in the business world, healthcare world, other industries, so that they get exposure. So that allows them to open their minds to the possibilities that exist for them and see if they like those areas, or they can find other areas that they may have true interest in.
It can be nerve-wracking to select a pathway early on before you even know what you really want to do, but it's exploration. We really try to make it relevant, and it is relevant. And I've had so many conversations with students about their interests. It gives me an opportunity to know students differently if they're interested in becoming a teacher. And I can put them in those roles in the classroom, where before in a regular classroom, you really don't hear that.
I think the most important element for kids is hope. And if they only have one option, if they're told you have to go to college and get a degree or your life's going to be terrible, then that takes so many career pathways away.
Career Academies allows us to identify student strengths, to understand what they need educationally, and then to support them to achieve the goals that they have. And aligning kids to a pathway of study says, we see your strengths, we know what you want to accomplish in life, and we're going to give you an educational pathway to get there. Career Academies is truly a Bearcat advantage, as it gives our scholars opportunities to be a part of our community, to engage with community partners, to have hands-on learning experiences, and to really build skills that are going to allow them to be successful when they leave this high school.